Need to make changes to a text file in Notepad. Whether you want to add new words, remove mistakes, move text around, or quickly replace repeated words, Notepad makes basic editing pretty easy. In this guide, I'll walk you through the essential editing tools step by step. So let's begin. First, open the text file you want to edit. You can double-click the file in File Explorer or open Notepad first and use the File menu to open your document. Once the file appears, click anywhere inside the text to place your cursor. To add text, simply click where you want the new words to appear and start typing. To remove something, place the cursor next to the unwanted text and press backspace or delete. You can also select a section of text and press delete to remove the entire selection. Yeah, it's that simple. To select text, click and drag across the words you want to edit. You can then cut or copy the selection. Use cut when you want to move the text somewhere else, or copy when you want to keep the original and create another version. Paste the content wherever you want it. Made a mistake? No problem. Use undo to reverse your most recent change. You can find undo in the edit menu or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. If you undo something by accident, redo can restore the change. So these tools are great for experimenting without worrying about mistakes. When your document gets longer, finding a specific word manually can take time. Instead, use Find. Open the Find option, enter the word or phrase you're looking for, and Notepad will locate it in the document. You can move through matching results to find exactly what you need. If you need to change the same word in multiple places, use Replace. Enter the text you want to find, then enter the replacement text. You can replace matches individually or use the available option to replace them all. This can save a lot of time in longer documents. Once your edits are finished, save the document. Open the File menu and choose Save, or use the Ctrl+S shortcut. If you're editing an existing file, your changes will be saved to that document. If you want to keep the original untouched, use Save As and create a separate copy. And that's how you edit text in Notepad. With selection, copy and paste, undo, find, replace, and save, you have everything you need for everyday text editing. I mean, once you get comfortable with these tools, Notepad is surprisingly useful. Thanks for watching.